Sea urchin aloe has got to be one of the most functional aloes ever for mass planting, borders, or anywhere line of sight and low height is an issue. With its foliage only getting approximately 30 centimetres high and its flowers sitting just above that, it's perfect for roadsides or the lower growing home garden. Flowering in winter to early spring, it livens up the landscape, washing away the winter blues with masses of stunning orange flowers. With flowers this stunning, you can make winter landscapes just as much fun as spring plantings. Sea urchin aloes provide modern and architectural clean blue, green, clumping foliage that's more compact, tight and dense than the common form. Sea urchin aloe is hardy in frosts, heat, poor soils. It's reliable, low maintenance and tough as nails. In my mind it's clear, sea urchin aloe is the best landscape succulent in Australia.